you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. And today we're going to keep on talking about theoretical probability of compound events. But before we start, if you haven't, please consider subscribing. And if you want to support this channel, link down in the description. And if you haven't seen my other channel, I can leave a link over here. That's where I do mountain bike and DIY stuff. And let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, we're going to keep on talking about theoretical probability of compound events. And this is just, we're going to find two events and then combine and find the probability for the two events happening whenever you want to. So, on the previous video, and I'm going to leave a link over here, we talked about this one right here. And we also had another one that we talked about this one right here. So, I'll leave those either right here or links in the description, or you can check out the playlist as well. Now, today we're going to do this one. This is actually the assignment that I gave the students. And let's go over this real quick. It says we have a table. It says use the table of probabilities to answer questions 1, 2, and 3. And apparently we have burritos, tacos, or wraps with either cheese, salsa, or veggies. So we have three different types of outside thing for the condiments or whatever you're gonna eat in go inside. So the outside you have three. You have a burrito, so basically like a big flour tortilla, a corn tortilla, and a wrap. So that's the outside. The inside is gonna be the cheese, the salsa, and the veggies. Okay, so we have three. So the compound probability is just gonna be the multiplication of those 3 times 3, which is 9. So the probability of getting a burrito with cheese, for example, just a burrito with cheese is going to be 1/9. There's only one combination like that. The probability for getting a wrap with the veggie, all you got to do is connect those two squares and it's going to be that one right there. Okay, 1/9. So the probability for getting each one of those is 1/9. Okay? Now, number 1, it says list the member of the sample space that include a taco. And it says use parentheses. So this is what you're going to do. So you're going to look at the tacos right here and then see what comes with the taco. What type of taco can you get? So basically, you can get a taco with cheese. You can get a taco with salsa. And you can also get a taco with veggie. That is it. That's all you gotta do. So it's 1/9 of each. And that's it. Now list the members of the sample space that include a cheese. Use parentheses. So now we're looking for anything that can have cheese. So you can have a burrito with cheese, a taco with cheese, and a wrap with cheese. So basically you're gonna do the same thing. Cheese with tacos, cheese with burritos, and cheese with wraps. That's it. That's all there is. Number 3, what is the probability of choosing a burrito with cheese and a taco or wrap with salsa? So now that's where we're coming into numbers now. So we're looking, what is the probability of choosing a burrito with cheese and a taco or wrap with salsa? So it's, you want a burrito with cheese, regardless. You want to get a burrito with cheese. And your other option is going to be either or. So you want a burrito with cheese, and if you were just put your hand out and grab one, you will be happy if you will get a taco or wrap with salsa. Okay? But you do want the burrito with cheese. So we're going to find that probability with numbers. And to do that, we're going to use, let's use this color right here. It says burrito with cheese. So we're going to look over here. We have the burrito with cheese. So that is 1/9. Okay? That is 1/9. And the other probability is going to be the combination of two things. So we have a taco or wrap with salsa. So you have this and this. How many are those? How many are those? No, just the taco or wrap. How many are those? 2, correct? They're 2 out of, because you're adding this 2. You're adding that probability. So 1/9 plus 1/9 is how many? 2 9s. So the probability for one event, which is the burrito with cheese, that's the first event. Okay. This is the first event, burrito with cheese. The second event is going to be a taco or wrap with salsa. That's the second event. Now, we have 2 possibles for the taco and wrap with salsa, so that is 2 out of the 9th. We picked them, we selected them, and every one of them is 1/9. So the other one is going to be 2 9ths. And how do you find compound probability? Easy, multiply. 2 times 1 is just 2. 9 times 9 is 81. And that's it. 2 out of 81. That's the probability of getting the burrito with cheese and or a taco or wrap with salsa. When you combine the probability, that's the number that you get. Now, numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 is going to be according to the word problem that we have right there. And it says, a basket of 40 pliers at a discount hardware store includes, let's start paying attention to those keywords. Let's start paying attention. If you want to make a drawing, please do so, because this can be a little confusing based on previous experiences. So, previous years. It says, based on a basket of 40 pliers at a discount hardware store includes 5 pairs of 6-inch pliers. Includes 5 pairs of 6-inch pliers. Now, we're going to have a second basket, and the second basket is going to have 20 hammers, including 3 large hammers. It's not 20 hammers and then 3 large hammers. It's not 23. The total number of hammers is 20. In those 20, 3 of them are large. In the 40 pliers basket, there's only 40 of them. 5 of them are 6-inch. It's not 45. It's 5 of them. 5 out of the 40. 5 out of the 40 are 6-inch. Okay? Number 1, let's highlight this. So we have 40 pliers, 5 of them are 6-inch. And then on a second basket, 3 are large out of the 20. Number 4, what is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers from the first basket without looking? So you're only looking at the first basket. What do we know about the first basket? We know that the first basket has 40 pliers and that 5 of them are 6-inch. So what is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers from the first basket without looking? Question for you. How many 6-inch pliers do you have on the first basket? How many of them? Leave them down in the comments below. How many 6-inch pliers do we have on the first basket? How many of them are 6-inch? Because that's what you're looking for. What is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers from the first basket without looking? How many 6-inch pliers do you have on the first basket? That is my question for you. There are 5. Out of how many? 40. That's it. Can you simplify that? Can we simplify that? And if so, we can just go ahead and divide both of these by 5. So it'll be 1/8. That is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers from the first basket without looking. 1/8. Now, listen to the second question. It says, number 5. What is the probability of not getting a large hammer from the second basket without looking? My question, what do we know about the second basket and it's highlighted pink? How many hammers do we have total? Remember, it's part of our total. How many total hammers? 20. That's going to be your bottom number. How many are not large? Not large. How do you know it's 17? 20 minus 3. Very good, because 3 of them are large. So that means that 17 are not large. Very good. So 17 out of 20. Can you simplify that? We can, right? But you can easily convert this into a percent or fraction. I mean percent or decimal. If you multiply this by 5, you get 100 on the bottom. And then 17 times 5, 85. So this will be 85% or 0.85. Either way is going to be the right answer. If they ask you for a fraction, this is going to be your fraction. And pay attention, because they ask you for not a large hammer. You got to be paying attention what they're asking for. Number 6, we're going to find the compound probability, basically, of the two previous questions. We already know the single probability for those events, for each one of those events. Now we're going to combine them, because the question says, what is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers, which is number 4, and not drawing a large hammer, which is number 5, right? So we're going to combine those two. And we have, for the first one is 1/8. And remember, for compound probability, all we got to do is multiply times 17 over 20. 1 times 17 is just 17. And 8 times 2 is 16 out of 0. 17 over 160. If you can simplify that, well, and if not, you leave it like that, unless they ask you to convert to a decimal or a percent. Other than that, you cannot simplify that any further, so this will be your final answer for that one. Question number 7, the last question of this assignment. What is the probability of drawing a pair of 6-inch pliers from the second basket? Remember, the second basket is highlighted pink. What do we have on the second basket? What do we have on the second basket? Please leave it down in the comments below. What is the probability of drawing a pair of 6-inch pliers from the second basket? What do we have on the second basket? This is the tricky question, okay? This is where we're going to try to trick you. Do we have any pliers on the second basket? No. So what is the probability of drawing a 6-inch pair of pliers from the second basket? Is that even possible? 0%. Impossible. Why? Because there's none. That's it. That's the main reason. Well, I really hope that you learned something today. Remember, to find the compound probability, all you have to do is find the probability for each event and then just multiply it. Even if you have 5 different events, it doesn't matter. If you have a spinner, if you have a dice, and then you have another spinner, you can find the probability for each one of those events and multiply those fractions. Remember, to multiply fractions, all you got to multiply straight across. And then simplify at the end. If you had any questions about this assignment or this topic, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, if you want to support the channel, link down in the description. And I have already left you a link for my second channel. Check that out. That is it for this one, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.